Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying the content of a creator, take a second right underneath the video and give it a thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping a creator grow on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Today is a great day. I get to share with you a little story as well as the winner of the giveaway bag that is huge. If you have not seen the video, I will link it down below because the video was more than a giveaway video. It was introducing you guys to a bag that was available at Whole Foods. This is a limited edition. They do this usually once a year. They work closely with brands as well as they give back. It's just a fantastic bag. And I'm going to share with you everything that was in this bag because I was able to, and I thank my brother all the time. He went with me really early in the morning of the day of that this bag was being launched. There were 2 bags available, but there's limits. So they usually allow, it's a bag per person, but they seem to be okay with me taking one of each bag. There was a blue bag and then this purple one, but they were hesitant about giving me 2 of the purple ones. So I spoke to the manager, and my brother, came in and he helped, and we were able to get one through him doing it on a separate charge. It was a whole thing. But I knew that a lot of people either weren't familiar with this. I also know that it's limited with the amount of quantities that there are, and that it's only available in store at a Whole Foods. Number one, a lot of us don't have Whole Foods around us. And number 2, some of us still are not comfortable, including myself, always going into the stores. So when I saw that there was a whole area of them and they were just putting them out, I said to my brother, do you think we can try to take an extra one to give as a giveaway? And he thought that would be a great idea, and that's what we ended up doing. But like I said, it was hard to get that 3rd one. So I was so happy that I was not only able to share it with you guys, because a lot of you wrote to me in the comments that because of me telling you about it, you were able to go to a Whole Foods in your area and pick it up for yourself. Some of you even wrote that you wanted me to help keep my fingers crossed because you were at work when you were watching my video, and then after work you were going to run to the Whole Foods to get it. And then you wrote back and told me later in the day that you were able to grab both bags as well. So guys, I cannot tell you how much the comments are everything to me as a creator, because my whole lifeline to you guys is the conversations that we share through the comments. Then a couple of you, more than a couple, a few of you have channels, and you guys, I know how busy it is to have a channel and then still have the time to watch someone else's channel and take the time to comment. So I thank all of you who have channels that you have done that, and also the ones that have channels that have supported us, through the launch of the True Wants Need It bag and things like that. But the person whose name got picked, I was like dancing for joy. I'm always happy when whoever wins the giveaways, when there are people that have communicated with me, because I truly feel this is me now giving a gift to somebody that I feel I know a little bit, and a friend. And her name shows up whenever I leave a comment on somebody else's video. I always look through the comments to see if there are any names that I recognize. And this person's name shows up every single time. It blows me away. And she has been so supportive on my channel, not only from the viewership, she also follows me on Instagram with True Wants 2, as well as she has also been a big supporter of our True Wants Need It bag. She never misses a volume. She always emails me to get extra stuff that, because of her, we were able to then set up a PayPal invoice type of thing that I tell you guys now that if there's something in the bags that you like, we're not always going to have enough quantities to set them all up on the website, because that's a lot of work. that if you're interested in something, to send us what you're interested in, and then we email you back a quote of, you know, how much it would cost. And then if you want to move forward, we then send you out a PayPal invoice, and that's how we take care of it from there. So it's because of this person, and if you don't know who you are by now, then her name is Rhonda, and it's spelled R-O-N-D-A, and her last name is Stuthers. And I cannot tell you the amount that she does not have a channel, and she has been not only supportive on my channel, she has been supportive on so many channels and a lot of small channels. And then she'll, you know, write in my comments, do you know this channel? Or somebody talked about you on their channel. You know, not that I should miss out on knowing or seeing or hearing. So supportive. So Rhonda, I cannot thank you enough for finding my channel, being part of our lives, and continuing the support, not only here, but across the YouTube beauty platform. So I want to wish a huge congratulations to Rhonda. I'm going to get in touch with you through the comments down below of where you entered. I will be writing in there that you were the winner. You should be receiving an email through YouTube about that. But I will direct message you on Instagram to tell you that you have won. And then we're going to finalize everything via email so that we can get the address, and which I'm sure our shipping system at Improving Lifestyle already has it, but I want to confirm exactly where you want this package sent. So I'm going to go through everything that's in this bag. So if nobody has seen it yet, we're just going to go through it, and then Rhonda, you'll know what to expect when your bag comes. So this is the huge bag of goodies. Like I said, I am ecstatic that when it's someone that I know is getting this, and it is such a bag filled with so much joy, and it's being sent with the same amount of joy. Okay, the first item in here is from ULTA. It is a skin food lip butter. The next item in here is a hair mask by Chic. The other one here is the name Dr. Hasachka. I haven't pronounced it any better than the first time. And this is a day cream, and this is a really fantastic brand. And then from Pure Zero, there is a color care hydrating shampoo and conditioner. I'll have to find the conditioner once we get to it. There's a vitamin C Gently Daily Derma E product. Whoops. There's also from Pacifica a Seafoam Complete Face Wash. There's from Juice Beauty a cleansing milk. From Avalon Organics, there's another shampoo in here. There's a face mask that is from Whole Foods, which I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try. And then from Mercure, which is another brand that I really enjoy. This is their Ultra Hydrating Cream Sheet Mask. There's still so much more, guys. This is the conditioner from the Pure Zero. Mad Hippie, another huge, fantastic product. This is a vitamin A serum. Then there is the Everyday Coconut Balm here, as well as, I'm gonna pull this out. I don't think I'm gonna ship this to you, Rhonda. This is a Mineral Fusion nail polish, so in case this opens, I don't wanna send that, so I apologize for that. And then the next item in here is from Acure. It says it's a jelly mask. Then, I think I already told you about this one. And then here there is something from Blue Cactus. It is a cooling balm. And then I still think there's something else in here. There is from My Shell a serum and oil. It's a Remarkable Retinol Serum. And that's everything that's in the bag. So like I said, I'll be in touch. I am so excited that you guys are enjoying my content, that you are watching, that you are sharing my channel, because my growth has been really nice. It's been steady. It hasn't gone up like crazy, so that I know that everybody that is part of my channel is watching because you're enjoying the content. You're sharing with me in the content that you are enjoying it, and that means everything to me, because this is a lot of work. But when you're able to share something that you're passionate about and you enjoy, and the people that are watching are enjoying it too, it's everything. So I just wanted to wish a congratulations again to Rhonda. And if you know Rhonda, please wish her the same in the comments so that we can all share in her receiving this. There are going to be other giveaways on my channel, because I'm starting to group some boxes together, and one of them already weighs about 5 pounds. So I think I'm going to stop on that one and then start something else. So I just want you guys to know that I'm gearing up for the giveaway that when we hit that other milestone number, but the way things are going, it might be before that number even gets hit. So please make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you're able to enter the giveaways, and to follow True Wants 2 on Instagram, as well as my business with my brother at Improving Lifestyles. And as Rhonda, you know, the package will be coming from Improving Lifestyles. So on behalf of my brother and myself, congratulations again, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.